Picture an untouched paradise rooted in mystery and forbidden to outsiders. Now, imagine the allure of setting foot on an island frozen in time, where a rich tapestry of culture and tradition thrives undisturbed. Prepare to be captivated by an enigmatic tale that defies the ordinary. Why it's illegal to visit this island. Join us on an enthralling journey into the heart of Hawaii's best-kept secret as we unravel the compelling facts that make Niihau an elusive and forbidden gem. Amidst the turquoise waters of the Pacific Ocean, a secluded island lies hidden from the prying eyes of the world. Niihau, known as the Forbidden Isle, casts a beguiling spell, enticing adventurers and curious souls with its untouched landscapes and vibrant culture. Yet beneath the surface of this tantalizing allure lies a complex web of reasons that have led to its elusive status. This exploration delves deep into the heart of Niihau's mystery, shedding light on the intricate factors that have rendered it off-limits to outsiders. The problem at hand is a delicate balancing act between preservation and intrusion. Niihau's unique cultural heritage, fragile ecosystem, and the desire to shield it from the impacts of modernity have culminated in a prohibition against casual visits, turning it into an enigmatic island that beckons but remains tantalizingly out of reach. While visiting Niihau may be off-limits for most, a solution lies in understanding and respecting the island's cultural and ecological sensitivities. By sharing the story of Niihau's unique situation, we can foster a greater appreciation for the importance of preserving untouched paradises and contribute to the ongoing efforts to ensure the island's integrity remains intact. Fact 1. The island of mystique, Niihau, part of the Hawaiian archipelago, boasts a mystique that has intrigued adventurers and explorers for centuries. Its isolated beauty and intriguing history have made it a subject of fascination among those eager to uncover its secrets. Fact 2. Ancient origins. Niihau's origins trace back to ancient Polynesian settlers who arrived on its shores, establishing a self-sufficient way of life deeply rooted in culture and tradition. Its isolation allowed these customs to flourish, creating a unique society that has stood the test of time. Fact 3. A living culture. The island is home to a thriving Hawaiian culture, with traditions, language, and practices that have been preserved for generations. The residents, known as Niihauans, continue to uphold their heritage with pride, offering a rare glimpse into a world untouched by modern influences. Fact 4. The Robinson family legacy. Since the 19th century, Niihau has been privately owned by the Robinson family. This unique arrangement has played a significant role in shaping the island's fate and contributing to its restricted access. Fact 5. Limited outsider contact. The Robinson family stewardship has resulted in limited outsider contact with the island. Access is typically restricted to family members, invited guests, and individuals with specific roles that contribute to Niihau's sustenance. Fact 6. Cultural preservation. The island's restricted access serves a vital purpose, preserving its indigenous culture. By limiting contact with outsiders, Niihau has been able to safeguard its traditions, ensuring they remain unaltered by external influences. Fact 7. Environmental vulnerability. Niihau's delicate ecosystem faces threats from introduced species and invasive plants. The island's isolation has allowed native flora and fauna to thrive, and preserving this balance requires careful management and vigilance. Fact 8. Untouched natural beauty. Niihau's landscapes remain remarkably pristine and untouched. Its rugged coastlines, hidden coves, and rolling hills offer a glimpse into the Hawaii of the past, providing a stark contrast to the bustling tourist destinations on neighboring islands. Fact 9. A haven for native wildlife. The isolation of Niihau has provided a refuge for native Hawaiian species, some of which are endangered or extinct on other islands. Preserving the island's ecosystem is crucial for the survival of these unique plants and animals. Fact 10. A glimpse into history. Niihau's preserved architecture, artifacts, and sites offer a glimpse into the island's storied past. From ancient Hawaiian temples to World War II relics, the island is a living museum of history. Fact 11. Economic self-sufficiency. The island's self-sufficient way of life is a testament to its inhabitants' resourcefulness. Traditional practices like hunting, fishing, and farming provide sustenance, reducing the need for external support. Fact 12. Cultural exchange. While casual visits are restricted, instances of cultural exchange have occurred between Niueans and outsiders. These interactions provide a rare opportunity for outsiders to gain insight into the island's way of life. Fact 13. The spirit of Ohana. The tight-knit community on Niihau reflects the spirit of Ohana, or family. Residents share a deep sense of connection and responsibility for the island's well-being, further reinforcing the need to protect its integrity. Fact 14. Limited modern amenities. Niihau's isolation means that modern amenities and conveniences are scarce. Residents have learned to rely on traditional methods and adapt to their environment to meet their needs. Fact 15. The power of tradition. Traditional arts and crafts, such as shell lei-making and intricate weaving, continue to thrive on Niihau. These skills are passed down through generations, maintaining a link to the past. Fact 16. A unique language. The Niihau dialect, a variant of the Hawaiian language, is still spoken on the island. Its preservation is a testament to the residents' dedication to keeping their cultural heritage alive. Fact 17. Religious significance. Niihau is home to sacred sites and cultural landmarks with deep religious significance. The restricted access helps protect these sites from inadvertent damage or disrespect. Fact 18. Balancing preservation and progress. The Robinson family faces the challenge of maintaining the delicate balance between preserving Niihau's cultural and natural heritage and addressing the needs of its residents in a modern world. Fact 19. Respect for traditions. The island's unique status commands respect and understanding from those who learn about its history. Adhering to guidelines and showing sensitivity to the Niihauan way of life is essential. Fact 20. Curbing commercialization. Limiting access to Niihau helps curb commercialization and overdevelopment. This ensures that the island remains a haven of untouched beauty, free from the impacts of mass tourism. Fact 21. Conservation efforts. The Robinson family and the island's residents actively participate in conservation efforts to protect its natural resources and preserve its unique way of life for future generations. Fact 22. The allure of mystery. Niihau's status as a forbidden island only enhances its allure and mystique. The curiosity it inspires among outsiders speaks to the universal fascination with the unknown. Fact 23. Ethical tourism. Some tour operators offer culturally sensitive and responsible tours to the waters surrounding Niihau, allowing visitors to experience its beauty without intruding on its delicate balance. Fact 24. A symbol of preservation. Niihau serves as a symbol of what can be achieved when preservation takes precedence over commercial interests, offering a blueprint for responsible stewardship of cultural and ecological treasures. Fact 25. A lesson in harmony. The story of Niihau serves as a powerful lesson in the delicate balance between progress and preservation. It reminds us of the importance of respecting cultural heritage, protecting fragile ecosystems, and fostering harmony between humans and nature. As we conclude this captivating exploration into why it's illegal to visit this island, Niihau, may the enigma of the Forbidden Isle continue to inspire a sense of wonder, curiosity, and appreciation for the treasures that lie beyond our reach. Let Niihau's story serve as a reminder that some mysteries are best left untouched, allowing us to cherish and protect the cultural and natural wonders that make our world truly remarkable.